Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Melissa, aka it's the Princess Da, and today I'm back with another video, and that's period. So today's the day that we are finally about to take our grocery store trip, and I am just so excited, and I'm so excited to be able to organize my refrigerator like you guys. It's gonna be thebomb.com. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments down below, and let me know if you want me to do any more videos like this, because I will do them for you guys. Let's go to the grocery store. That's short for the grocery store. So right now you guys can see the cart is filling up. I have so much stuff in this cart. I have meats, I have chips, I have fruits, I have juices. I really don't drink juice that much, but I do have it in the cart, and it is starting to get full. So the budget for today is $300. If I can stay under $300, then today will have been a great grocery shopping day. If we go over $300, that is going to be tragic, but we're still gonna buy everything. It's just gonna be really tragic. I just got back from the grocery store, and I have so many groceries that I need to put up, and I also want to organize the refrigerator. So I'm about to clean the fridge out first, because it's like not clean, and then I'm gonna put everything in. I'm gonna organize. It's gonna be super, super cute and super, super neat. So I'm gonna put like all the condiments on this side. This is pretty clean, so I don't have to wipe it down, but I'm gonna wipe down this part because it's not super clean. Oh my god, we have hella spinach. What the hell? I'm gonna clean it with the pink stuff, because I don't know, I feel like when you clean your fridge with Clorox, then like your food becomes like potent and stuff. Like this is made with like natural products, so like it's not gonna, the fridge is not gonna smell like bleach and stuff. This is the first thing I have. I have the egg container, and I don't know why there's like a little black spot on it. I cleaned it off good. I don't know why, but it's still there. But it's actually a drawer for my eggs. So now like the eggs are not gonna be like all in the way. They're gonna be like out the way in a drawer. things here. Got all the fruits on this side. Got the juices here. Meats down there. I have like extra fruits and vegetables here. I have cheeses in here. And then like just small, I don't like small things like that's minced garlic, some biscuits. And then at the top I have just like yogurt, butter, and then the drinks. So on the side is where I put everything else. So I put the cream cheeses, the water, the milks. I put all the milks there, like all the other condiments that I was using. And you know what? I'm actually gonna switch this. I'm gonna put these at the bottom. Let me switch this. Cause I'd rather like all the drinks be down there together, and then all the condiments be up here together. So let's see if we can. Water is here for easy access. These are all the condiments down here, and then I just put all the drinks at the bottom because obviously the 3 containers I have here, they don't fit all the drinks, so I just put all the rest of the drinks like at the bottom down here. And that's pretty much how I organize it. I'm thinking it looks super cute. I'm excited with the outcome. So this is the end of my grocery haul / organizing video. So let me know what you guys think about the video in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys think that I organized it good, and I don't know, let me know if you're into this kind of stuff, because I saw a girl do it and I thought it looked really nice, and honestly I'm actually excited with how my fridge came out to look.